Hi, I'm Lisa from Canta Aesthetic, your trusted source for cutting-edge beauty technology. Today, we're excited to introduce the Skin Analysis Machine Moji, a revolutionary tool designed to provide detailed insights into your skin's health. Let's dive in and see how it works. Powering up the device. Powered on. Locate the Wi-Fi settings icon at the top right corner of the tablet's home screen. Tap on it, find the Wi-Fi and Internet option, and turn on the Wi-Fi switch. The device will then search for available networks. System. Tap on the Moji AI Skin Tester icon on the tablet's home screen to enter the testing system interface. Click on Register Now and follow the prompts to enter the company/store name, username, phone number/email, then get a verification code, set a password, and confirm the password. Followed by Login. Already have an account? You can directly enter your phone number/email and password and opt to remember your login details. Main page after login. Once logged in successfully, Smart Skin Tester main page will appear. New customers can click AI Skin Test to begin adding their information. Fill in the customer's name, gender, and age. Note, entering the real age is essential for more accurate future analysis. The phone number is required. Optional fields include customer star level and referrer. Once all the details are filled, click Save to proceed to the next step, taking photos. Instruct the customer to close their eyes and click on the Smart Skin Test button to start the photo capture process. The device will flash 8 times, using 8 different spectrums, and capture 8 facial images. Wait for the image data to upload to the cloud server for AI analysis. Photo review. Once the photos are taken, images at the bottom of the screen. Click on each image to check for any issues, such as incorrect face positioning, tense expressions, or poor lighting that leads to overexposure. If any issues are found, retake the photo. Click on the Skin Moisture Content icon to view the Skin Moisture Content report. Click the Surface Detection icon at the top of the screen to view the analysis of 5 surface dimensions: sebum, pores, pigmentation, wrinkles, and acne. The screen will show both the test images and corresponding quantitative analysis, important notes, and suggested solutions. Icon at the top of the screen to view the analysis of 5 deep dimensions: sensitivity, UV spots, UV acne, and collagen fibers. Quantitative analysis, notes, and solutions will appear. Click the Skin Prediction icon at the top of the screen. You can swipe the image left to right to demonstrate the aging process, from youthful to aged skin. click the General Report icon to access the full skin analysis report, including skin attributes, skin overview, skin age prediction, and a general summary. You can scan the QR code to retrieve the report or print it. Return to the customer information file. Click to enter and, if necessary, click the edit icon to modify the customer's details. Click the comparison icon to compare the customer's skin changes over time. Accessing the backend, on the main page, tap the icon at the bottom to enter the backend settings interface. You can configure various items here. Tap the single icon to set customer testing data. The feedback icon at the top to report any issues with the device. Tap the device icon to view the device's information. Backend Management System, Login, go to the website zm.yamea.ai to enter the login page. Enter your username and password, then click the login icon. Click on the product icon to manage products, including adding, deleting, or editing product photos, names, prices, and functions. You can edit, delete, or batch upload/delete products. Click the text icon for skin surface, deep layer descriptions, effect summaries, and effect recommendations. All sections can be edited by clicking the Edit button. Click Confirm to save changes. Click on Product Efficacy to restore default health-related keywords as set by the device manufacturer. If you feel that the recommended keywords are insufficient, click to add additional options. Management. The subsequent sections will focus on marketing strategies and member management. With its advanced technology and user-friendly interface, The Skin Analysis Machine Moji is the perfect addition to any spa or skincare clinic. It helps professionals like you provide personalized treatments, giving your clients a truly customized experience. Ready to take your skincare to the next level? Visit us at Canta Esthetic and check out the Skin Analysis Machine Moji, where technology meets beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more innovative beauty solutions. See you in the next video.